What means retro? The term retro comes from Latin and means facing backwards. The term refers to the imitation of a style from the past. So the actual opposite would be vintage, because vintage is actually and completely old. And retro is new, but it leans on old designs. So for example, playing the first Metal Gear game on disc on a PS1 on an old VCR TV is, in correct terminology, vintage gaming. But playing the downloaded version of the same game on PS5 on a 4K TV would be retro gaming, even if it's the complete same content, because it's completely imitating the old way of playing the game. And the other example would be you have a pen from the 50s and you have exactly the same pen made by the same blueprints with the same materials but made a week ago. The old pen is vintage and the new pen is retro. Very simple. So drinking a retro style milkshake in a diner is fine, but drinking a vintage milkshake brings you straight to hospital. Subscribe.